BEV, not too much, didn't give us much, flopped around. Breakout at 10.11. SRPT, basically flat for the day, poked its head through, pulled back into the 8 period, exponential moving average, moved up 1%, but that was about it. LB, I'm going to review this towards the end of this video, but this was a winner for us yesterday, and we had some follow through today. And remember, when these stocks set up on an opening range breakout and high volume, you can sell into strength the day of, or continue to hold it, and it will be strong in the days to come. This is the beginning of a move, and you can hold it for a couple of days, and we're fine with that, just as long as you sell it into strength. Mu, Micron Technologies, opening range breakout gave us almost 2%. VNDA flat for the day. Dollar Tree, same thing. 1030 pull back into the exponential 8 period moving average, didn't give us much, flat for the day. Mankind had a big time push, institutional buying into the close. BGS, similar dynamic. I didn't have this, it's a slower mover, but it was moving in the right direction, and you got 3%. My bad, it's not a slow mover. How do we know? Because the price action proved me wrong. So that's how we know. We got to be biased for price action, not biased to your fundamental story, what you think about the stock. ICLD poked its head through at 10.09, pull back into the exponential 8 period moving averages. We'd like to see an immediate 3% gain. TVIX, it was a down day today, 1.5% off on the SPY. The Qs likely more. No, I'm sorry, 1.2% in the diamonds, similar as the S&P. And look, the diamonds never printed above its opening range, neither did the Qs. Well, just a little bit there, and SPY neither. But what printed above its range was the TVIX and the UVIXY. So you can go ahead and take those as soon as they start doing that. Poked its head through at 952, and that was a big run for you, 9-10%. KBIO, we had this yesterday. I have been looking at it yesterday, the 5-minute chart, and it's set up into this. We have this rule for 5-minute charts: exponential moving average, 50 period, 2 consecutive green candles, and that was a push for 10, 16, 17%. Today it's set up again, and because of this positive price action, it delivered it again today. And even though the market was hammered today, it didn't recover. There's still other stuff to do. I've never heard of this stock until yesterday, so there's other stuff besides the normal 30 stocks, S&P 500, what people look at. So there's other stuff out there. Again, on the 5-minute chart, it did it again. It's set up below, around, this is a perfect trade. It's, around the 50 period moving average on the 5-minute chart. Again, we wait for the first one. After it crosses there, sits on it. And, it gave you a 4% move to the upside. So very positive. What I want to do is, even though this is a down day today, I want to look at what we looked at yesterday and see if it was strong today. And, if a stock sets up on a certain day, it's just going to be positive. It's going to move in the right direction in the coming days. So let's look at yesterday and see how they fared today. FEYE, opening range breakout yesterday. Again, we're on a 5-minute, and we had positive price action today. This is a big move, 4%. Again, look, drops below or at the 50 period moving average. On a 5-minute chart, was it there? No. Was it there? No. Was it there? Was it here? Yes. Okay, and move in a positive right direction. XPO. What can I say about this one? Had an opening range breakout and closed down. You're not crushed, down 2%, but I would wager next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday that this will move upward. CSIQ, we didn't have a favorable day yesterday, closed down 2%, but we had some strength off the opening bell in that stock. BTU, opening range breakout yesterday, big time move into the close today. Okay, GNW, you can take the trade 2%, 3% right off the opening range yesterday. Kind of just flopped around today, and that was pretty much it. You can either sell these right when you take the trade, or you can, sell them over the course of the coming days, and they'll likely, if not, be stronger. LB we looked at a few moments ago, but it was strong today. The move was initiated in these yesterday, and they should be strong over the coming days. Now, as soon as you buy CVO yesterday, you have a 3% gain in it. You've got to just take it. I mean, this is the type of market we're in. Stocks are flopping up and down each day, and we've got a lot of volatility. So if you have, a profit, you want to take it. FTR, nothing much today, but had a, very positive price action yesterday. Fran, huge move today. Reported earnings, we had noted that it set up, and you could have held this and taken your profit off the table. MEI kind of flopped around today, but good price action yesterday. But remember, this a lot of these stocks that printed flat today, this is a bad day. This is a distribution day in the SPY, the Qs, and the diamonds, and a lot of these other stocks hung in there. And how do we know that? Because I had positive price action in the day before, the day before that. So that's how you know. This weekend I'll get out, or tonight I'm uncertain. I'll get out. I'll look at the past 5 trading days and where we were at and what we were buying, and you can see how they fared over the coming week. So KBIO finally, we kind of went over this. It had good positive price action again today, even on a weekday. So that's kind of the thing we're about at MSL Trade, is grabbing what tells us is up 15 half hour into the market. I can't tell you what's going to be up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week. I have no idea about that, but I can tell you positive price action and when the move is made and when the big money is buying something, and that trend's going to continue over the next couple of weeks. So anyway, you can follow me at Twitter, MSL Trade, or shoot me an email. I appreciate it. When you come into Monday, don't turn your charts on. They won't be moving. So have a good holiday weekend. I'll talk to you Tuesday. Bye.